Okay. Uh, this exercise will be preparation of main engine. Uh, okay, let's see. For preparation of main engine, first we need all the systems to be ready. Uh, in this exercise, we have to first see all the systems, like starting air system, global system, pressure system, seawater system, fuel oil system. One by one we will on all the system which required to start the engine. Then we will start the engine. Okay, let's see. First, in electrical power plant, we see one generator is running. Now we are going to start all the system, means we need more load will be there on the number one generator. So we start number two and share the load. Then we'll start system one by one. First we'll go to number two. We are starting our valve is not opened. I think we'll go and open the valve for DG1 and DG2. Then we'll go to DG2. Everything is already ready. We'll just start the engine. Once the RPM is attained, we'll go on the paralleling operation be done. Okay, now we attain RPM. We'll go to planet directory, main switchboard diesel generator 2, RSR. Go to synchronous scope, select DG2. You see, this is the running generator frequency. This is incoming generator frequency. It is incoming generator frequency is little more, so we have to decrease to certain level. So difference is little. So now it started to rotate slowly. At 11 o'clock we can connect the circuit breaker. We have to wait until it come to 11 o'clock. Okay, now number 2 generator is parallel, circuit breaker is connected. You can see number 2 generator is connected. Okay, now we can on all the system. Here seawater system, freshwater system is there. First we go to seawater system. Okay, seawater system, everything is on already. We'll just switch on the main seawater pump number 1 and switch off the auxiliary and put it in remote. We can go from here, or one easy method, you go to panel directory, power shift pump, compressor control. You can see here, from here we have to switch on all the system. From here you can go to freshwater system, switch on the freshwater HT freshwater pump number 1 and LT freshwater number 1, and close the switch off the auxiliary, stop the pump of auxiliary pump, then change the local to remote control. Now we are operating on local control. Once we switch to remote, we can operate it in there itself, power shift control itself. Here we can operate. Operate means it's like automatic control. It will automatically on the number 1, number 2 pump if any problem in the one of the pump is running. Okay, we'll go to fuel oil circulation pumps. Oh, in freshwater pumps we have to open the valves for cooler. Example, main engine cam cooler, main engine lube oil cooler number 1. This is cam, means cam lube oil cooler. The main lube oil cooler, air scavenger receiver number 1, scavenger receiver number 2. Okay, everything is ready. Now we'll go to power shift control, fuel oil circulation pump. First we set up the line. Okay, suction, first we'll open the suction valve. This is the fuel oil service tanks. This is, here it's the from the HFO tank, it's going to fuel oil system. We'll open here. If you want to go directly, means this is fuel oil service tank, this is fuel oil system. From here we can go to service tanks. We open the suction of pump, and this is fuel oil system. The HFO will come from here, get sucked by this pump, supply pump. This is discharge valve, this is flow meter valve, and to go to circulating pump, after go to fuel aerator, then bypass filter, back flush filter, then it go to again it go to return to service tank, but we don't want to that to happen. We want to recirculate the fuel, so we show the 3-way valve to recirculation. Now we'll switch on the pumps and put it on remote. Now fuel oil system also ready. Now you see fuel oil system also ready. Put auto here, then go to steering gear, open the oil filling for expansion tank and oil sump 1 and 2 for steering gear pump. Once it filled up to 70, we can switch off this. Fuel oil viscosity inlet for main engine is low because now we didn't start. No, now only start the system. Now only it go through the heater and it will go. So it will. In the meantime, it will raise the temperature. So we have to wait for that. It will become normal automatically once the system starts circulating. Okay, now system will fill. We can open the suction and discharge valve for pump and sump, suction and discharge valve number 2, and we close the bypass valve 1, bypass valve 2, and we open the C-matic valve block, and we switch on both the pumps and put it in remote. We'll go to power shift, pump, compressor control, go to lube oil system. In lube oil system, we see the line is already set, so we just on the main lube oil pump number 1, main cam lube oil pump number 1, and put it in remote. This will automatically become normal once the system started running. Now lube oil system also ready. We can put auto here, and we go to starting air system. In starting air system, already the air bottle pressure is 18 and 27. We'll open the drain valve of air cooler and intercooler and aftercooler of number 1 and number 2 compressor. Then we'll open the filling valve for number 2 air bottle. We got the discharge valve and discharge valve to main engine starting system. Now we'll switch on, put it local, and switch on number 2 and number 1 compressor. Once the drain is showing red, we'll close the valve and the air bottle is starting to fill. Then put it in remote. We go to power shift, pump, compressor control. This is master number 1. Put it on auto. Put emergency auto. You can see like this. We have to start all the system for preparation of main engine head size. Now everything is started. We'll go to main engine cylinder number 1. Before starting, we have to blow through a slow turn. We are going to do slow turn. This is indicator cock open, blow off valve open, scavenger drain open. Then we can go to number 2 cylinder. Same indicator cock open, blow off valve open. Next number 3 indicator cock open, blow off valve open. Then number 4 indicator cock, blow off valve. Number 5 indicator cock, blow off valve. Once again we check all the cylinder valve open. Okay, everything is open. Scavenger drain also open. Okay, now we'll go to main engine local control. In main engine local control, we engage the turning gear and we'll start. Once it engages, it will slow turn. This is main engine revolution counter. Here it will show 1 once it will started rotating. Now the speed is 1 revolution per minute. Here it will show. Once it shows, you stop the turning gear and disengage the turning gear. See, here is main engine revolution counter is changed to 1. We'll stop and disengage the turning gear. We go to process directory, main engine maneuvering system. Here you have to open the all valve for safety block valve. Starting at distributor block valve, safety at block valve, start at block valve. Will open all, then only air supply will flow to the engine. So we can start the engine. I will go to cylinder number 1 and will close the indicator cock. Don't skip this procedure. If you don't close this, the engine room fire will happen. Number 3 close. Number 4 indicator cock go off or close. Number 5 check once again every unit is closed. Drain also close. Then we go to local control, reset the alarm. Now we can start the main engine. This is local control. Actually first we starting in local control, then we switch to ECR. Okay, here put on set RPM. I'm giving 20, and this is the button. If we start means the starting I will go on kick the main engine or give a momentary for starting. Once here the RPM is achieved, take the start button and give the RPM more, and here it will get stabilized. Then will give more. Otherwise engine will not run if you give the value very slowly. Here you can see the fuel linkage, how much fuel is going inside. Here starting at bottle pressure, the main engine speed, everything is denoting here. Now main engine started, you can see the RPM is 30. Once started there will be HFL boiler alarm. Okay, now main engine running. Now you have to transfer the control to ECR. For transfer we have to go to main engine manual system. We have to select remote control here, it will go to ECR. But before that we go to panel directory. This is the ECR control, auto shift main engine control with ECR. Here we have to give how much they are given, 40. Here you first give 30. You can give 40 or 30 your wish. Then we will go to bridge control. Here also we give 30. If you not give the required RPM and we switch to local to remote means automatically engine will be stopped, because in ECR and bridge there will be a 0, so the engine will be automatically stopped. Before that we will have to give the RPM in ECR and bridge. Now here also 30. Now we go to main engine manual system and change local to remote. Okay, now the remote control is changed. Now we can see the engine is still running 30 RPM. Now we go to panel directly. Here we can give how much RPM we needed. You see the alarm is lever mismatch alarm, because this is easier control. In bridge the command will be different, so we have to give the same command. So now the alarm will be not in ECR. This is how we increase everything. Okay, this is the pressure of main engine. Now we can see in process overview, main engine running, all the system is running. Okay, everything is normal. Now this is the preparation of main engine. We already started everything. Everything is running. That's all.